What's up, guys? We have a lot of stuff to do and very little time. This lighting is horrible. Anyways, we have a lot to do, little time. But first, coffee. Yeah, that's good. I gotta shower. I'll be right back. Alright, guys, we gotta go. Can't forget this. Can't forget you guys. Let's go. So I just realized I need to get gas, so that's now on the checklist. Bank now. Booyah. The way that we have to pay our truck is we have to pull money out of our bank account and then go to a different bank and pay it. You know, this truck, whatever. But the thing that's irritating is that you can't go through the freaking bank drive-thru. Like, you have to go in to pay. It's like, why? I ain't got time for all this. Number 2. Now it's time to go to the photo shoot. Alright, so I just wanted to talk about a few photography tips. 1, don't ever, no matter what, if you're putting your bag together, you're about to walk out the door, make sure you have your batteries. Nothing looks more unprofessional than showing up to a shoot and being like, oh, no power, sorry guys, I'll be right back. Don't do it. It's the worst feeling ever. 2, you don't need super expensive lighting. Open up a window. Boom. Open up a window. Stand someone closer to the window or go outside. There is such amazing lighting outside. The sun is amazing and it's free. 3, you don't need to spend a crap load of money on a backdrop holder, right? Like, make one. I have one. I made one out of PVC pipe. PVC pipe is cheap. 4, don't be afraid to make your own props. Get creative. You know, it's way cheaper than getting on Etsy and buying it. 5. You don't need a super expensive camera. Literally, you can use your, I have an iPhone. You can use your iPhone to get amazing pictures and video. People are so worried and like concerned about like how much money they need to spend on a camera. Like, oh, I can't get good pictures unless I buy the super expensive camera. Not true. Your phone, like, phones have come so far, but you don't need a super expensive camera. Shoot your phone. Do you see those pictures? Did you see those pictures? That's what I'm talking about. Pretty much all the tips I just told you, except for I have my Nikon with me. But you don't need the Nikon. I love my Nikon. I shoot with my Nikon. If you have the money for a good camera, I mean, like, get a camera, but you don't need to have a good camera to get good quality pictures. But anyways, neither here nor there. Used all of those tips I told you previously. That's it. Just gotta have a little vision, right? So anyways, just got done with that shoot. I'm going to my house to pick up my mom and my sister. We're going to the Navy base. So there is an air show once a year at the Navy base down the road from our house. And today is like the first day they're letting the public come and kind of look at the airplanes and stuff. Then we are going to go back to Sam's house. We're doing another shoot with Emma. We're doing 2 different scenes. So yeah, let's do this. It is 79 degrees outside, and we live in Florida, okay? Not a cold place. Why on God's green earth is it on heat? Lord mercy. So we're here at the air show. We have to walk through all these cars to get to it, but we're here. the air show now. Oh look, in the Blue Angel. I have to go to a photo shoot, so we had to leave a little bit early. We're coming back again Sunday, so hopefully I'll get some more good footage. But right now we gotta peace out. What's up, guys? So we're heading to the photo shoot now, and if you couldn't tell, we're not in my car. We're in my mom's because I locked my keys in my car, and if you know me, it's like my thing. It's like what I do, and I don't even know why I do it. Like, it just happens. Like, I've locked my keys in my car with my car running multiple times. Like, it's a thing, and I don't even know why it's a thing. Like, you would think people wouldn't do it. Anyways, whatever. So we're on our way to the photo shoot. Let's go. Tatum. Sam.
Hey, right there.
Say hi.
Say hi. He's just eating candy.
Anyway, so we just got done doing Emma's pictures. We got both of this sceneries done. Elliot. Whoa, look at that. Let me see. Alright guys, well this is where I'm going to end the video. I have a bunch of edits to do and it's just a crazy night. So, like this video. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos. And leave a comment below. Get a little crazy and share with your friends. I'll see y'all in the next video. Later. Sing a song. Sing your ABC. Oh, you fell. Silly boy.